this is our first homeschooling field trip of the year, and we are at
oh look, climb up
we're heading to we're at the Underwood Family Farm, and it is awesome, I have to tell you. Right now we're taking a tractor train ride, and it is totally awesome.
Horses! Jackson, look!
Jackson's riding in a cart all by
Jackson,
himself.
look,
Daddy's with us. We have some of our homeschooling friends behind us. And this is totally awesome. And we can pick fruits. Hi! Hi, pretty girl! And we can also pick, come out here and we can pick fruits and vegetables. This place is seriously completely awesome. I love it. I'm so coming back. Really, really fun things to do. A lot of things to do. So this is fun.
This little weeble wobble track.
Ryan, I'm videotaping.
Oh, okay. Nothing really happening right now.
Nothing's happening now.
Taking it all in.
Taking it all in. Yes, believe it or not, Ryan is sitting in one of these little
tomatoes.
We got tomatoes here. This is beautiful. I mean, this is a beautiful farm. Beautiful views too. Right there. It's like here, but there's tomatoes. Completely awesome. Wow. This feels so fun. I love stuff like this. It's one of the things I love about homeschooling. We can go anywhere and learn all sorts of stuff. Yeah. Wow. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. It's corn. Look at this place. It is beautiful.
Oh, this is
Isn't
squash.
this cool, Jackson?
Squash? You know what that is? Pumpkin?